Hello, in this video I'll be showing you the 5 best YouTube niches to make money without showing your face. The first example that I'll be showing you is badass quotes. By the way, if you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe as I release daily videos on how you can make money not only on YouTube but overall online. So if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe and also hit the like button. Anyways, the first example that I'm showing you is badass quotes. And as you may have assumed, this YouTube channel is all about motivational quotes, and their main theme is the Joker, as you may remember him from Batman and the Joker. And you may be wondering where you're going to get motivational content from. Well, you can simply do a Google search, for instance, like the top 10 quotes from Conor McGregor or so on. And you'll simply paste those quotes, as you can see by the autoplay right here, just as subtitles. And you'll only use like 2 still life pictures in your background, and you can get the copyright free music from YouTube. And you may be wondering, how many videos would they have to produce? As you can see here, this channel has only produced 57 videos thus far, and they have gathered over 107,000 subscribers. And you can see their view count is crazy. And as you can see from their estimated earning, I will say their CPM is $4. Although when it comes to the motivational niche, as you may have known, the CPM is very high. But with a CPM of $4, they'll be earning $24 per day, which isn't bad. The next example that I'll be showing you is great meditation. As you may know, meditation day by day is getting even more popular on the internet. And with this lockdown going on all over the world, a lot of people are going into meditation. So why don't you start a YouTube channel on meditation? Well, this is a great example. Not only do you not have to show your face with this channel, but when it comes to a lot of meditation channels, you don't even have to use your voice. You can use, again, copyright-free music from YouTube, and you can also use copyright-free pictures or videos from different websites to create your channel. And yes, most of these channels are monetized, and you can also do affiliate marketing with these channels, as there are a lot of affiliate programs in the meditational niche that pays good money. The next example that I'll be showing you is in the sports niche. And this channel, their main theme is about Arsenal football team. As you may know, they are one of the most popular soccer team, or basically football team in the world, as they play in the English Premier League. This YouTube channel, doesn't even use their own voice. They use a auto-tune or some type of voice machine to record their videos. And as you can see, if you should take a look, they also use only still life pictures and just add the subtitles. And yes, they are monetized and they are doing good amount of views, as you can see here. And when it comes to a channel like this, you can see that you will be able to get unlimited amount of content, as football is one of the most popular sports in the world. The next example that I'll be showing you is an affiliate marketing example. As you can see, this YouTube channel mostly produce information on Amazon content, and they do top 5 content, for instance, the 5 best backpack coolers you can buy. And to get these videos, you simply have to sign up on Amazon.com. I can go deeper into this and do a better example if you like. You can use a video downloader to get the videos for free, and then you can add background text. You don't even have to talk over the video, and that's it. And once a person goes in and click on your link and does a purchase, you'll be getting a commission. So you can start earning money instantly from the first video you release. You don't have to wait on getting monetized by YouTube or so on. You can start making money instantly. The next example that I will be showing you is in the celebrity niche. As you may know, the celebrity niche is definitely one that you can start gathering a lot of subscribers and a lot of views very quickly. And as you can see here, this channel has over 126,000 subscribers. And if we should check out their earnings, their estimated earnings on Social Blade, They are earning at least $126 per day, which is crazy. Yes, so again, you can make a lot of money, and all you have to do is go on popular blogs, and you'll just get the information from them and just use the still life pictures of the different celebrities that you'll be talking about. And as you can see, the average length of the videos, as you can see, is normally 2 minutes long, and that's it. You don't have to show your face, and in some of these channels you don't even have to talk. You don't even have to use your voice. But I would recommend that you at least do a voiceover and talk. Next example that I'll be showing you again is another celebrity YouTube channel. But when it comes to this one, they are mostly focused on the various celebrities' network and lifestyle. And again, in these YouTube channels, they only use photos, and they'd simply talk over by simply reading the person age and network, and that's it. And this is another example of the same concept that I'm showing you, the rich lifestyle of Kate Winslet. And this is another example. And this one is actually one of the most popular ones when it comes to the celebrity network niche, as you can see here. And you can pause the video and do your own research on these channels and see that there's definitely a lot of potential. And you should definitely give one of these channels a try. Start your own.